Me mau 5 seconds pe ka difference ba kwa uhu ewo compound we any compound we entem ma men dane no ne hu compound ni ye me mo akwa ba eba KokoChem education YouTube channel yeso and the video no is on problem solving how you bit me determine say compound menu be the same and isomer. We have question na you be solving. Compare 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. Determine if they are the same compound or structural isomers. Explain your choice. To find out say 1 chloropropane any 2 chloropropane pe and pe no you better say with structural representation. Yenhwe omo molecular structure. Both 1 chloropropane any 2 chloropropane omo nyina no with the same molecular structure C3 because carbons in here 3, H7 because hydrogens in here 7, and a Cl no chlorine no back because they have the same molecular structures no yentimi determine say compound we mean no pe ana pe. So let's go a step further to look at expanded structural formula for these two compounds. Expanded structures now 1 chloropropane green bond which is the chlorine is bonded to carbon number 1. So what kind of free here we are carbon number 1, 2 and 3. 2 chloropropane green atom no chlorine no, is bonded to carbon number 2. 1, 2, 3. That is the key difference. Enti asase no mebisa wo say ubetima ka one difference two structures in mono. What can say difference in positions of the chlorine atoms memawamo why are there pa so what ase ba. For illustration no ohwe image no identical image of a lion. Ni mienu ne pe. Key difference image no say lion back no no face forward. Lion back on so no ne echi and face into the same lion but different style of dressing. Others just like how I describing no same lions, different style, same atoms connected. Carbons no pe, hydrogens no pe, chlorines no pe, but different style. I say in style no ebeye baby chlorine no bonded to the position of the chlorine atom. Entino exercising say if they are the same atoms but different connectivities and you know exercise they are structural isomers. Structural isomers no same atoms but different connectivities. In this case chlorine atom no and the money different. 1 chloropropane carbon position 1, 2 chloropropane carbon position 2. Because of this you can say they are structural isomers. Need more practice? In terms of mamin chill baby ubinya more help, more practice. For phone no and our laptop no go Google type KokoChem education YouTube channel. KokoChem ne KokoChem. Click so. Oko page ni so a hwehwe baby ya twe ho Q&A, questions and answers hydrocarbon structures. Click sa playlist ni so. Videos we na very good practice problems obetima practice na abo master chemistry no wabo so abeye opabene. What does it? In conclusion, no, ene yahu se compound bi wo ho a omu nyina bitima have the same molecular formula but different connectivities of atoms. Your structural isomers. This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you watch any video no bibi efrimu, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.